for this week too, and it's the notion like all these people that everyone's jumping and all in on AI. AI is the new thing, but it's here that it's helping you out. It's making you do things faster. It's they're putting all their eggs in on AI. But I think you need to step back and say, let's wait a minute, because can you tell? Honestly, can you tell when something is made of AI? Can you tell? Absolutely, you can. Yes, you can. Give a shout out in the chat if anyone else can too as well. But like odds are, I think you can tell because it doesn't feel like natural. It doesn't feel right. Anything I was told before, if it doesn't feel right here, then don't go along with it. And a lot of stuff that's made from AI, you can tell right away because most people, I mean, everyone has heart, has emotion, has feelings, and if something is made without feelings, without heart, without passion, without all that, you can tell it's logic only. Now the other way can go if you just use feelings in something and not logic. A lot can be said for that too, but it can tell if something is just put together with logic, with just this up here, because the brain can do a lot of things. The brain is an amazing thing. I've been seeing some videos and reading some stuff on the brain itself. The brain and the whole body, the human body, is an amazing experience. Not a scientist, not a doctor or anything, but I just know, just from hearing a lot of things, that the brain is and the body is just an amazing amazing thing that. Yep, guy, agree. Yeah, thanks for being here on Instagram Live. I'm over on the horizontal today, going back to there so I can show some full size clips. But yeah, you can totally tell. And James brought it up in that little teaser clip. Go watch that full clip about it was interesting. I had him on because it was interesting. He does these walks around the country and in nature, and he's actually big on cooking and food as well. And we were talking about the whole cell phone, going without your cell phone, going in nature, being out in public kind of thing, and without technology. And we talked about all that. And sometimes I'll do like a tech detox for a day where I'll go without my phone. But the AI, you can totally tell. Now, I, as I mentioned in my posts and my past content I've put out already on this, and this will be a video clip on this now, coming up later in the week. I'll just clip from this stream here. That don't depend on AI to do it for you. It still needs you as a part of the project, whatever you're doing, whether it's a video, whether it's a little data project that you're putting together. Make you a part of that project. Don't just let AI say and do it for you, and put yourself into it, because people can tell if you are in it or not, if it's just a human. One thing I was thinking about earlier, when we talk about the 3 C's of anything: community, content, collaboration. I agree 100%. Like, no, we should not be competing with everyone. I compete with myself from yesterday and no one else. Everyone else is a collaborator. Everyone else is community. Everyone else is a resource. Everyone else. Guy taught me something actually the other day, and I shared it with you, I think, in the chat or some in a message. He taught me something the other day that absolutely worked, and it's the power of connection, social networking. We're forgetting the networking part. How we're meeting and introducing ourselves to new people, to new pages, YouTube pages, how we meet other people everywhere we go. I'm gonna take this down because that's my former hashtag there on that graphic, but and where I was going with this is community. The one of the C's is community. Now we can have a community of AI bots, robots, or we can have a community of like-minded individuals. Like, I ran into the greatness community. I know a bunch of people from there, and it's great. And it's people that I can connect to. And can you connect to a robot? You can connect in certain ways, I guess, with a cable or cord or USB or Bluetooth, something like that. You can connect that way, and it's machine networking. Like, you connect to your Wi-Fi, you connect the computer to this microphone to the computer. That's a connection too. But a human connection, when you're a community of robots or a community of people, two very different things. And that's why I am not for the 100% use of AI. I don't believe it'll last that long, because we need human elements, not just robots. And that's my stance on AI, coming into AI and everything.